Hello guys, look. He is fishing fish with the hook at the Laoti river, and at this time the weather is very sunny and windy, and you can see here guys, the water is very clear and crystal, and the level of water is very high. Look guys, কি দিয়া কিবা করছে আটাটো ময়দা কি হ্যাঁ কুমিলা দে কর look, he has a lot of experience guys, and he know how to collecting fish from the river with the hook. Look guys, look, wow, look what a skillful boy looks. Wow, look, he has 1 kg collected already with the fishing with the hook at this river. Look guys, খাওয়া নাই নাকি এতিয়াও? Look guys, look, still fish are not eating his food. Look guys, wow, what a skillful boy. Guys, if you want to see this technique, then come and see in the Laoti river, and you will get to see how the people are collecting fish with the hook at this river. Look guys, the monato will have to fight. Wow, look guys, wow, the lot of fish. Small fish. Oh, look here, adar. Wow, look guys, he's a very expert boy. Look, wow, what a beautiful technique. Tumar ভাষা দিয়া কি কয় এটো কিবা বর্ষি দিয়া মাছ মারাটো নহয় ব্রা তোমার সাঁতাল ভাষা দিয়া আদিবাসী দিয়া হুকু কয় ওয়াও হুকু কয় মানে মাছত এতিয়া মাছক মানে আদার দিয়া বর্ষি দিয়া মারি আছে এটো কি কয় হুকু বর্ষি ও মাছটো খাইছে বুলি কইলে কি কয় জংকেডা wow, look, he is an Adibashi boy, and he has a lot of experience. Look guys, look, at this time the weather is very sunny. Wow, look guys, look, so many Adibashi people are collecting fish with the different style. Some people are collecting fish with the net, and he is collecting fish with the hook. Look guys, he did lagao me de lagai. Look guys, what a beautiful technique. Look guys, at this time the weather is very clear and lovely guys, and he is loving to fishing fish with the net and also hook. Look guys, he has lot of experience guys, and he know how to oh paise epole dekhao to wow, look guys, look wow, lot of fish guys. Look, wow. Anyway guys, thank you.